Okay, the eggs, and you could have done white eggs too. I usually just do the design from about halfway down because when they pick them up and stuff, they'll mess it up anyway. But that's kind of up to you. So this is just lavender, tip number 3 again, and I'm just going to do like a little zigzag. And we'll do another one down here. And then let's see, we'll just take, how about some pink on this, and we'll just do some pink dots on this one. So these are pretty easy. I mean, you can make these as easy or as elaborate as you want. And then maybe we'll do this one that has a little bit more of a zigzaggy closer together. Something like that. And we could do like little, what do I have here? Let's do some yellow. This is a pretty big tip, so I guess I'll just do some dots in the yellow, and then the next one I'll do something a little different. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could do, let's see, what else do I have here? You could do, let's go back and do the lavender, only, we'll still do a zigzag. I was going to do it without, but I think it'd be cuter if you still keep it. Okay, so again, this is just the round tip, same one we, number 3. And then with the pink, let's go back and just do some little daisy flowers. So squeeze, and it's almost like how we did to build up the body, only much smaller. So I'm squeezing, letting the icing build up, and then dragging it to the center. Like this, and do little flowers. Squeeze, build it up, bring it to the center, squeeze, bring it to the center. So there are 5 petals. So when you get to the center, you're pretty much not squeezing at all, because you don't want it to build up too much. Okay, and if you want to do centers, that yellow tip, this is how I cheat without using a coupler. I put the tip over the bag and then hold on to it. And then just squeeze little centers. You could leave them without centers too. So bag's just 90 degrees from the surface, squeeze, stop squeezing, move the tip away. Okay. Like so.